Well, today I decided to take a nice easy bike ride at a state park close to our house, within 10 miles. I'm just riding the Cannondale mountain bike. I don't have the knobby tires on right now. I'm riding smaller road tires on it. It's just a nice quiet ride today. Never check the audio on the iPhone when it's mounted on the handlebar. And I'm just wondering how this sounds. There's very little wind noise because I'm not going very fast. Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a ride down the only real hill on this climb. Pretty steep, but it's nice and short. Just brings us into a different picnic ground. Nice and shady today. Cool. It's getting warmer, but it's cool right now in the shade along the creek. Nice day for riding. Beaver Creek State Park has, you can buy inner tubes right down the creek here in the park. You can fish, you can hike, you can bike, have a nice campground. They have some trails you're allowed to mountain bike on, and they have some trails that are designated horse trails. Plus, they have a horse campers campground for people bringing in their horses on trailers and riding the park and then camp there. Now in Ohio, you're not allowed to fly, you're not allowed to take off or land drones or any aircraft in the state parks unless it's an emergency. But at Beaver Creek State Park, they also have a model airplane flying field, and you're allowed to fly drones there. It's a pretty nice place to fly. Big open space, especially if you're new to flying drones. Of course, you can take off from a public road and fly over part of the park. If it's a not a park road, if it's a state or county road. It's a nice, quiet little park. Got playgrounds for the kids. Surface here. This is the mill pond. Actually, down here they have a operating mill, and this is what, of course, turns the when they open it up. This turns the wheel that operates the grinding wheels for the mill. Well, you can see leaves falling already off of these trees. I think those are locusts. Up here they have a pioneer village. This is part of the pioneer village. Got one they're remodeling. They have a schoolhouse. This is the mill I was talking about. Over there they have a chapel, blacksmith, an old bridge they moved in. The mill wheel is on the back of this building. Can't see it from the road, but the water comes down through there.